Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, before we adjourn, may I remind our colleagues that there is a standing resolution, resolution number 21, entitled Resolution Authorizing All Regular Standing Committees, Oversight Committees, and Special Committees of the Senate to conduct hearing, meetings, and consultations during every recess of the Senate to have continuity in the process of passing pending proposed legislations and to conduct investigations on issues of national interest to aid in crafting relevant legislation. At this juncture, Mr. President, I move that we adjourn the session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025. So move, Mr. President.
There is a motion. Win. Is there any objection? There being none, session is adjourned until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you to our staff and Senate employees. Mabuhay ang Senado.
Ngayon na, at this hour, patawag mo na yung mga senador at mag-convene na kayo as impeachment trial court. No, wala sa panahon, wala yung time constraint na kung wag namang sabihin na sisihin pa kami, no, na ngayon lang namin ipinasa. So kung kagaya ng kasabihan, kung gusto ay pwedeng gawin, di ba? Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan at maraming sinisisi. So, hinahamon ko ngayon si Senate President Escudero na, come on, i-ano mo na, no? I-convene mo na yung Senado as impeachment trial court.
At kung hindi po gawin ng Senado under the leadership of SP, what does it tell about Senate?
Disservice yan sa ating mga kababayan dahil malaki ang inaasahan ng mga taong bayan sa mga senador natin dahil sila lang naman ang binigyan ng konstitusyon, no? Nasa kanila yung ibinigay ng taong bayan na papel talaga, no, para bilang impeachment judge na kaya kung hindi nila gagampanan yung tungkulin nila at uunahin nila yung kanilang mga personal interest para manalo sa eleksyon, I think mag-iisip ang taong bayan na kung iboboto pa sila o hindi.